In this video, I want to explain what the top carousel is, what the bottom carousel is, what they mean, and what you need to know about it specifically for your Amazon product review videos. And I'm going to do this with an example product, this alarm clock right here, and you can see it on my page. Now, one thing you need to understand is every product on Amazon has photos and videos to explain the product better. And the videos specifically are only shown in two places. All right. Think of every Amazon product page as like a map. And the map is only allowed to show videos at the top and the bottom, only those spots. Okay. Why does that matter? Because you are getting paid commissions on your review videos. And the best chances of someone seeing your review videos is going to be at the top of the product page. Now, at the top of the product page, that's going to be called the top carousel. And why that is because typically there's going to be 6 photos, and then the last spot you could see is where the videos go. Okay. And it's a carousel because Amazon will cycle through different review videos to show customers. Now, when you review a product and you upload your product to Amazon and you tag this listing specifically with the ASIN, then your video is going to by default be shown at the top of that product page. So I reviewed this product and I uploaded it. And as you can see under my video, it is being shown at the top. So it tells me that my video is at the top of the product page, which is good. That greaters the chances of my video being seen by a customer. Now, what if there's a max load of review videos, meaning you can only have 6 videos at the top at the most? And so what if there's like 100 videos for a product? Well, everything left over is going to be placed at the bottom of the product page, called the bottom carousel. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. And here we could see more review videos. All right. And if I scroll all the way up, here are the top carousels. And as you can see, here's my review video. So it is being shown at the top, which is great. And the thing is most people won't always scroll down all the way down to look at the review videos. And so the chances of you earning commissions is a lot higher if your video is being shown at the top. That's the difference between the top and the bottom carousel. It's just a matter, it was just really just a question of where is my video being located? Why is this important? Like I said, because the more videos you have at the top, the more commissions you're going to make. So when you go into your storefront with ReviewPro, it's going to show you, is my video being shown at the top of each page, at the bottom, both, or neither? So this is a good example. All of these products you see right here, these 5, you could see that this trash can is being shown at the bottom page. This toaster is being shown at neither, unfortunately, probably because it has a lot more review videos, or it's going to be shown at both. Now, here's the thing: is just because a video doesn't have, or just because a video has a ton of review videos, or sorry, just because a product already has a ton of videos on that page, doesn't necessarily mean that your chances are gone. All right. You know what keeps your video at the top of the product page? A good review video that not only keeps a watcher engaged and watches the whole video, but then ends up purchasing. And so if your video over time continues to perform well, Amazon is going to keep that video at the top, regardless of how many other videos are being shown. So don't let that discourage you. I hope that makes sense. That is the difference between the top and the bottom carousel. It's specifically, is my video being placed at the top of the product page or at the bottom? Okay. And you're going to see this over time, and it's going to maybe fluctuate. Some days your video is going to be shown at the top. Some days it's going to be shown at the bottom. All right. But if you want it consistently being shown at the top, you need to produce a good review video. Now, can you take down a review video and upload a new fresh one, like a better one? Definitely, 100% yes. I think that's a great idea. Now, this product in particular, it's being shown neither at the top or the bottom. And I know that because it's a high demand product. Look at the revenue. Look at the daily sales. There's a lot of other competition. And I would consider the video subpar, but I needed to get it posted. You know what I mean? Best case scenario, it's being shown at the both. If you have any questions about this, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.